Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects Trading community, and I'm here with you guys to give you guys an update on a trade idea that I sent out about 12 hours ago. Okay, so the time now is 2:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, and so it was a Litecoin here. I gave you guys a possible Litecoin USD sell position. Of course, I always tell you guys to do your own analysis. All right. And you guys can see I pretty much still have it here. Here, let's we actually click on the link. And if we press the play button, you guys can see here where I was analyzing that it will come down to this area of interest, shoot up to this area of interest before continuing back down here. And so far, if we play it out, we did get that tap. It actually went down a little further than what I thought it would go down, but it did come into this area of interest, and now it's back up. Let's go over here to the live chart, so you guys can pretty much see that so far this trade is kind of working out for us. However, we do have a bunch of sell pressure here, this area right here, and so the market is just trying to make its way up through this sell pressure. Now, it really just depends on how many sell orders we have here. If we will actually get this to actually fully play out for us. I don't know how long it will take, but I do believe that we will come up into this area of interest before continuing down, before this market actually turns around for us. Litecoin USD is for me, I consider it a cousin to Bitcoin. So it typically will follow Bitcoin's track, but on my broker, the spread is a lot cheaper. The volume isn't as great, but the spread is a lot cheaper, and it follows Bitcoin. So that's why this is my currency of choice over the weekend. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to update you guys on that. And like I said, you can, if you just come over here to the community tab on the channel, you can select that and view this trade setup that I sent out. And so we'll see how it goes, guys. So again, I just wanted to tap in. If you're not yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you guys are wanting to get on one of the mentorship programs, all you have to do is just click that join button. You can join the Profitable Trader, which will give you access to the 100 and now 134 different instruments that I chart and track. And that ranges from stocks, crypto, metals, energies, ETFs, Forex, you name it, and it's growing every week. Okay, so that's what you get access to as a profitable trader. As a professional trader, you will get access to everything on the Profitable Trader, including access to my signature trading and live Zoom session that I do every Sunday, which I will be doing today at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you have time now if you want to join and get a full detail and breakdown of my signature trade, as well as us going through every single chart that you guys want to go through. Here, let's go to the daily. Every single chart that you guys want to go through, and I will give you guys some trade setups. We'll break the charts down, give you some analysis and some possible trade setups. You guys can see here the color flags are for the market institutional bias. Okay, so I have a way of tracking the institutional bias for several different pairs. So that's what these are for. So you guys will get that as well. So, all right, guys, that is pretty much it. I just want to give you guys this update on this Litecoin trade, just to show you guys where we are so far. So yeah, I'm waiting to see if this is going to play out for me, and I will get into the trade up here and hopefully ride that down to this institutional zone. Excuse me, to this institutional zone right here that I have marked up. And this is basically our risk to reward. We'll be risking, or I'll be risking 280 pips to gain 2,000, a little over 2,700. So we're talking about a 9.65 risk to reward. So not bad trade at all. So yeah, if you guys, again, if you wanted to follow that trade, just go over to the community tab. And this is a free one that I released, but usually I only release the trade ideas to the members. So but yeah, all right, guys, always remember, if you stay in God, you'll stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.